Hello everyone, Mark here. So today, I'm going to be making a paper airplane. I'm going to show y'all the simplest way to do it. And I understand that other videos don't really get into depth with it, but I'm one of those people. So, this is an example of what we're going to be making today. Top view, side view, the bottom view, just the classic paper airplane. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to grab a single piece of paper. It could be any paper as long as it's longer on this side, shorter on this side. Also, please forgive me for the background noise, guys. We are currently working. So, first thing we want to do, turn it sideways as such. And then you're going to want to flip it this way. Clean fold, cross, clean fold. All I did was grabbed it, turned it, folded it over with a clean cut. Now, once you've done that, you're going to open it, turn it back this way. Now you're going to grab this part, and you're going to fold it in this way. That's right, fold it in this way. So I'm going to grab it, make sure it lines up with this line. Boom. Now we're going to make a clean cut right here. Make sure it's very fine, just like that. Now I'm going to grab the same with the other side, slowly bring it in, and there. Clean cut, like that. Look at that. That looks nice. All right, now once we got it, this is going to be the top side. We're going to grab the top side, we're just going to flip it over. Flip over the top side, so that the piece that we just had is now at the bottom. Once we have that, we're going to grab this side, the back side, and we're going to fold it inwards. Just like that. Make a clean cut right here. Boom. That's all we did. We had it right here. This is the open side, the front side, top side. We flipped it over to the back side, folded it, and this is where we're at right now. So now once you got that out of the way, we're going to grab this part. This edge right here, this edge right here, this part right here is going to have to line up with this part. So I'm going to bring it down to where it's aligned with the bottom part. And we're going to make a nice smooth cut, just like that. There we go. Nice smooth cut across. Remember, it's this part, this top part right here. This top part. All I'm doing is folding it like that. Boom. Now, we're going to do that for the same side. Same for the other side. Grab it, fold it down, and smooth it out. So now, what you should have is this. Just a nice, smooth paper with a little inside. This is the bottom of it. As you can see, we're getting that shape of the paper airplane now. Now, all we need to do is one more step. So now we're going to grab this part. We're going to, this part right here, this top part. Just like the thing we previously did, this part is going to go folded along this side. Now let's slowly fold it. There we go. Now that we slowly folded it, this is going to make the paper plane thinner and faster, and it should make it more stable. Do it to the same side. We do this thing to the same. Boom. Now we smooth it out. Awesome. We got that done. There you go. There you have your paper airplane. Now this is our end result. Earlier I made this one, a much smaller version. Alright guys, we reached the end of the video. This is our finished product. For the top, from the bottom, from the side, from the other side. If y'all have any recommendations for me to make anything else, please be sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any other recommendations to make, any origami things or games, please comment down below. Other than that, have a great day, y'all.